Compound interest. Compound interest represents the accumulation of interest that has been generated in an initial or principal period of time at an interest rate during period of taxation, so that the interest obtained at the end of each investment period is not withdrawn, but rather they are reinvested or added to the initial capital.
The formula for the final quantity is A equals P, that is the initial quantity, times 1 plus the rate of interest over the periods in 1 year, power to the periods in 1 year times the years. The formula for getting the initial quantity is P equals A, that is the final quantity, over 1 plus the rate over the periods, power to the periods times the years. The formula for getting the time is T equals natural logarithm of A over P, that is the final quantity over the initial quantity, over the period natural logarithm of 1 plus the rate over the period.
First, we have this problem in which we want to know the final quantity, which is A. They're giving us this data, which is P, which is the initial quantity, equals 18,000, R is 6%, T is 3 years, and N, which is the period of time, is annually, so it's 1. Okay, so then we're going to substitute that formula we saw before, and it's like this. A equals 18,000 times 1 plus the rate. We want to have the rate over 100, so it's the 6% goes to 0.06 over the period of time, which is 1, which will be the same as not having this. And then all of this elevated to 3 times 1. The result is this one, which is 21,438.29. We always round to the 2 decimal places. Now, in this problem is the same. We're looking for the final quantity. The data we have now is this one. P equals 18,000, R is 4%, T is 10 years, and they're telling us that it's compounded monthly. Since it's compounded monthly, we have to look for how many periods there are in 1 year. There are 12 months, so we have 12 in the end, which is the period of time. Now, we substitute again in the formula, which is 85,000, times 1 plus 0.04 over 12, which is again the period. All of that elevated to 12 times 10. And the result we have is 126,720.78. Again, rounded to 2 decimal places.